Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can promote your reels on Instagram, and let's get right into it, shall we? Okay, so what you need to have for this to work is you need to have a business account on Instagram, and to actually promote your reels, what you want to do is go to the reel that you want to boost. This is my what do you call it, the dashboard, I guess you could say, of my tutorial account. And as you can see below the reel, let's say I want to promote this reel. Below this reel I have the boost post option. Click on that and now you see boost reel. Once you enter this, you will have a goal to select. Let's say more profile visits. Next, the audience is automatic, for example. You can also create your own, and the budget you want to spend. Select this, and then afterwards when you click next, you should enter your add accept everything. You should add your payment option, and it should be that. I think that should be it. However, I don't have a yeah, they have to be reviewed, and after they're reviewed then it will be running. However, I don't have any payment options actually in here. As you can see, you need to add a payment method. When you add that, your posts will be reviewed, and after they're reviewed, if they're accepted, they will be boosted. And that is pretty much it. That's how you boost or promote your reels on Instagram. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another video.